Samsung is one of the big names when it comes to electronics and technology in general. Samsung was named the #1 technology brand in Africa in 2019 and 2020. Therefore, it wouldn't be a surprise if you are watching this video from one of their stylish devices. But what can we, as African youths, learn or adopt from the rise of the Samsung brand? How it all started. With about 27 years, Byung-Chul Lee founded Samsung on March 1st, 1998 in Daegu, Korea. Samsung began as a grocery store, trading and exporting goods produced in and around the city. Samsung also exported dried Korean fish and flour to China. Following the Korean War, Lee started a sugar refinery in Busan before expanding into textiles and building what was, at that time, the largest woolen mill in Korea. This early diversification became a successful growth strategy for Samsung, which rapidly expanded into the insurance, securities, and retail businesses. Samsung focused heavily on industrialization with the aim of redeveloping Korea, and found some lack because it benefited from the new protectionist policies adopted by the Korean government during this period. The aim of this policy was to help large domestic conglomerates by shielding them from competition and providing them with funds. In the 1960s, Samsung entered the electronics industry with the formation of several electronics-focused divisions, and these include Samsung Electronic Devices, Samsung Electromechanics, Samsung Corning, Samsung Semiconductor and Telecommunications. During this period, the Samsung-Sanyo partnership began. In 1970, Samsung-Sanyo produced its first black and white TVs and expanded its reach into shipbuilding, petrochemicals, and aircraft engines. Over the next decade, Samsung also produced transistor black and white TVs, color TVs, refrigerators, electric desk calculators, and air conditioners. The company reached the landmark of having produced 5 million TVs in 1978. Samsung continued its expansion into the global electronics market in the 1990s. According to company legend, one of Samsung's first mobile phones did not work when it came out in 1995. When company chairman Kang Hee Lee found out, he visited the factory where the phones were manufactured and reported it had the entire inventory burned. The 2000s witnessed the birth of Samsung's Galaxy smartphone series, which quickly not only became the company's most praised product, but also frequently topped annual list of the best-selling smartphones in the world. Beginning in 2010, the Galaxy series expanded to tablet computers with the introduction of Galaxy Tab. Don't get bored just yet, for we are almost close to uncovering that piece of treasure. Alright, so despite us being on a different continent, what can we still learn as African youths from the humble beginnings of Samsung and apply it to our lives and businesses? Don't worry, this quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson throws some light on it. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Patience! What does it mean? Are you patient? How patient are you? Do you know patience is an invaluable coping skill? Have you spent some time cultivating patience? Do you recognize the healing power of patience? Are you wondering what behavior or attitude can describe patience? Is patience a skill or a quality? Patience can mean vastly different things to different people. At home with our siblings or kids, At work with our colleagues, patience can make the difference between annoyance and equanimity, between worry and tranquility. According to CarefreeCounseling.com, patience is best described as a state of forbearance or restraint in the face of delay or provocation, without becoming overwhelmed by annoyance or anger. It is the ability to endure something negative that has found its way into our environment without letting it control our behavior. Patience in this way is a positive trait and a strength, much like a long-distance runner's stamina and endurance. The tougher it gets and the longer the distance, the more a well-conditioned runner can hang in there and finish the race. Patience is power. Having patience means being able to wait calmly in the face of frustration or adversity. So anywhere there is frustration or adversity, that is nearly everywhere, we have the opportunity to practice it. Patience doesn't mean passivity or resignation, but power. Patience is the quality that enables a person to accept the delays or shortcomings in life with a calm and composed persona. Patience is the quality that makes a person level-headed. Is it difficult to be patient? You may ask, if patience encompasses all these enticing qualities talked about, why then are we not always patient? As the old saying goes, patience is a virtue. And it takes a lot of discipline and time to master some of the virtues of life. In an era like ours, we are expected to move faster and do everything instantly. Dominated by fast food and instant credit and constant communication, many of us have lost touch with what it means to be patient. It is not easy to be patient because it is human nature to expect certain things in life in a certain way. And when sometimes life doesn't deliver these things, a human is bound to lose their mind and act out. Do not panic because hope is assured. It is not easy to be patient, but it is not impossible either. How does being patient help one in business and in life in general? The road to achievement is a long one, and those without patience, who want to see results immediately, may not be willing to walk it. Patience is linked to self-control, and consciously trying to regulate our emotions can help us train our self-control muscles. These are some of the desired qualities in life and businesses. After 50 years of research, Dr. Edward, a professor at Harvard, concluded that patience is the key to success. What do you think will happen to a business owner who is patient and takes time to listen to the suggestions of the company's customers and employees alike? Such a person's business will grow. Remember, patience helps us utilize the 3 T's, and these are time, talent, and treasure. In the words of James Clear, the author of the #1 New York Times bestseller, Atomic Habits, the most overlooked and underappreciated growth strategy is patience. More specifically, consistently producing great work over a long time horizon. As always, for sticking with us up to this point, here's your bonus. Patience is profitable. Remember to set appropriate and smart goals and execute diligent actions to get to where you are aiming for in life. In addition to patience, utilize these other P's: passion, persistence, preparedness, planning and plotting. Be patient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like and share your thoughts in the comment section. Kindly share this video with others too. Mask up, stay hydrated, and love always.